Come on, babe.
Look at this dude.
More, get out.
I'm not in.
Go away. Go sit over there. Lane, tell your kid to go away.
They're chanting on her.
I can't see you because the sun was right in your head.
Okay.
You?
Yeah, do you have any balls?
Fucking TG left us.
Huh?
Well,
Where's the ball?
Ball's right there.
Can we find another one?
You want to find another one? Look down your pants and you will find another ball.
No, we didn't.
you're so mean, Lily.
My dad has the ball.
Your dad? 有啲蝕得啊，個住喺博士啊。
Oh, what about the ball under there?
嗰度啲蝕住啦。It's protected by shield. 不過講啲乜都得嘅。
Jenny, dạ đây luôn à?
I got it.
Oh, 不要嘛。
Come on, man. Come on, man.
You know the bird's about to die.
Shh. Sorry.
Santa, how was it so it died? Or is it vintage?
Huh?
You guys recording it?
We're recording. Not the hall. I don't know if it's good because I'm shaking so hard.
Why don't you just put it on the thing and then just let it...
Because it's a case and there's the camera. So I have to hold it. Did they play tao? You guys lost? Alright. What's the score this time?
I think 3-0.
Last one was 2-0. Stupid.
Hey, you hold it like this. Look.
Oh, fail.
Failure. Failure. Failure.
So what are you guys gonna do tonight?
Probably gonna eat some fun and just go party.
Go what?
Eat some fun and go party.
You guys just gonna go drink at Tool's place?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh wait, I got
Maybe
you
the
the
big
bro.
chow, I don't know.
It's so cold.
What?
Ooh, it would have hit me.
There's more room, huh?
Good
Yeah,
job,
Fang!
Kong.
Fang, you just got tagged, Fang! Yeah, they're over there. They're over there.
Oh, I thought they were going to eat first.
Yeah, they're going to. They just
Hốt là bên tay gì mà. Come on, guys. Pretty good game. Come on, Lang. Are you guys leaving soon?
I don't know. This is waiting for some of the guys. We gonna eat some food. Relax for a
Đi
bit.
thị phở nha.
1, 2, let's go!
The girls left already?
No. The
They-
pink tent is theirs. I think they're getting ready. They're packing stuff to go.
Yeah, yeah. Đâu có kia.
Là ok cái này ok sư thế. Ming's pretty good today.
Woo! Come on, man.
I spoke too soon.
Đi thử vứt ra. Woo!
That was the score.
More shut the hell up. I guess the girls are packing and go.
Ooh.
Nice one, Kong.